Welcome to Rotation Engineering and Manufacturing Company. Rotation Engineering is a metal stamping company that has been delivering innovative fabrication solutions since 1973. Based in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, our facility offers a complete range of manufacturing capabilities to original equipment manufacturers and other manufacturers throughout the United States and beyond. Quality metal stamping has been at the core of our manufacturing services for more than 4 decades. Rotation delivers custom metal stamping and solves precision fabrication needs for many types of businesses. Our customers range from the power sports and agricultural equipment industries to transportation and infrastructure industries. Our facility is equipped with numerous precision punch presses ranging from 45 to 400 tons. From custom design prototypes to mid-volume production runs, Rotation delivers metal stamping results with quick turnaround and reliable consistency. Here we have a 110-ton press running a progressive tool to stamp parts for one of our customers. The experienced tool makers at Rotation provide innovative insights that help to minimize the development and turnaround time of products. Interdepartment collaboration ensures the best in quality and reliability at every step of the manufacturing process. Our prototyping services include custom prototype design assistance with optimized material selection, features, sizes, and tolerances. This allows us to minimize the number of components and operations required for the manufacturing of products, further reducing costs and delivery times. We have an array of advanced tools at our disposal, including SolidWorks software, laser equipment, brake presses, CNC machining centers, electrical discharge machining, a variety of stamping presses, and machines for secondary operations. Laser cutting capabilities are among the many precision fabrication services that we offer. Our newest piece of high caliber equipment is this 6,000 watt fiber laser from Amada. The advanced technology of this laser machine uses continuous variable beam control, seamlessly optimized for every material thickness it can cut, with no lengthy setup process required. This translates into higher precision and increased value on custom parts. At Rotation, we strive to deliver the most cost-effective and high-quality metal parts. Our metal fabrication and production services are performed in accordance with the latest ISO 9001-2015 certification standards to ensure we deliver the finest manufacturing quality and consistency without compromise.